It's day 24, welcome back. Now, it's just a quick one from me today. I just wanted to make sure you've got your hearing aids insured. It's often something that gets put on a to-do list, and so if that's you, probably make today the time you do this. Now, there are companies out there who will insure hearing aids. Maybe the place you've got your hearing aids from offers insurance, but this is usually through a third-party provider. Take a look at what's out there. In the UK, there is a company called AssetSure who are quite popular for hearing aid insurance. We're not affiliated with them. In fact, normally we recommend our patients to have a look at their home insurance first, as often it's a lot cheaper. You do need to make sure that whatever you are insuring, you are getting covered for when you're outside of your house. This is an important point. Also, make sure that if you did lose your hearing aids, that you'd be able to go back to the provider that you got them from. Sometimes insurance companies will try and send people to wherever they can get a cheap quote for your devices. But as you know, hearing solutions aren't just about the devices. You need the hearing care professional alongside you. And it really doesn't make sense to go somewhere else if you've built up a good relationship with your current audiologist. So that's all from me today. Make sure you've got your hearing aids insured. If you have any questions, reach out to your hearing care provider. I'll see you back here for day 25 tomorrow.